Poor Glendora has become embroiled in yet another Halloween drama. Hello and welcome to the Velveteen Lounge Kitchen. Drama struck our family this Halloween, landing Aunt Pearl in jail and poor Glendora traumatized and tripped out. You'll need a drink to hear the whole sordid story, and this one has a bitter soaked sugar cube to add a little dark humor to our tale. To make it, all you do is combine 2 ounces of dark Jamaican rum and 1/4 ounce fresh lime juice. Shake with ice, soak a sugar cube with orange bitters in your cocktail glass, strain the rum and lime juice over them, and top with a splash of chilled prosecco. Okay, here goes. It all started when Aunt Pearl found out Glendora won a bunch of money in yet another class action lawsuit. Glendora has a knack for getting involved in class action lawsuits without even trying. Pearl was upset because she wanted Uncle Sid to buy her a timeshare and he refused. She thought Glendora should share her winnings, and when she didn't, she decided she would scare her to death, assuming that she and Sid would inherit the money. She stole her idea from the plot of 1969's The Big Cube, in which George Chakiris and Karen Mossberg feed Lana Turner LSD and attempt to make her commit suicide. Pearl got hold of some LSD from an old hippie friend and spiked Glendora's wine when she wasn't looking. As predicted, Glendora tripped out, but Pearl couldn't convince her to jump out the window or harm herself in any way. When Sid realized what happened, he turned her in. The punchline was that Pearl wasn't going to inherit any money anyway. Glendora's will sets up a trust for young winemakers dedicated to advancements in boxed wine. You'll be happy to know that Glendora is back to her old self, who you call an old, although she is laying low this Halloween after dating a murderer and having her stepmother try to kill her. Sid visits Pearl in jail while she awaits trial. Happy Halloween, and thank you for visiting the Velveteen Lounge Kitchen. Be sure to join us Thursday at 7 p.m. Eastern on Facebook for another Liquored Up live broadcast. It's always happy hour at the Velveteen Lounge Kitchen.
See you soon.